Shanti Avedna is a palliative care center very specially meant for cancer patients who are at the last stage of their life. Shanti Avedna is started by Dr. D'Souza, who is in Bombay. He is an oncosurgeon. In 1986 he started this project, and there are 3 Shanti Avednas, one in Goa, one in Delhi and one in Bombay. All the 3 Shanti Avednas are working together and serving with the same aim and motto. Our main purpose is to keep the patients in their old age, not in the old age but in the last stage of cancer, peaceful, painless situation. That's what we want to give to them. We are not adding more life, more days to the patients, but more life to their days. That is the motto of Shanti Avedna. This belongs to a trust, and the trustee members are all living in Bombay. Dr. D'Souza visits this institution very often, and he come and see the patients as well as how the institution is running. Besides, we have a visiting doctor who comes here every day and see for the welfare of the patients. Shanti Avedna is completely free for the patient. We don't charge anything at all. This institution is run by the generosity and kindness of the local people. We do not ask anything from the patient when they are admitted here and how many days or months they are living. Everything is given free of cost. We are 4 sisters working here. We belong to Sisters of the Holy Cross, and we have staff, nursing staff as well as house maintenance staff. They are from Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand or Andhra, these places. They work for a short period of time and they return to their state. They are not doing free service. They are paid. Whatever the government allows, the salary will be paid for them. We are very happy, and we are really satisfied with the job that is entrusted to us, and we take really great care in serving the people who come into these institutions. Being in a remote village, Loutolim, very many people do not know about this center, and it would be very nice if you can you propagate about this institution. We accept any patient from anywhere without any difference of caste, creed or state or anything. No difference. If human being, it is all one. We are very happy that you have come and visited this place this morning, and we really appreciate your generosity and kindness, and your presence must have been enriching to the patients who are able to talk to you or to give some kind of gesture towards. Thank you very much. To everyone, I appreciate and thanks a lot.
Of 76th Independence Day, I salute the freedom fighters and to the nations, and above all I salute the Sister Elsa who is doing a human service to mankind. We appreciate her hard work here and her sincerity. It takes a lot of struggle, we know, but her face doesn't show it. There's a smile on her, and her patience also. You can make out a very, very happy with under her. So once again, we salute to you, sister, and all your staff, and we thank you for inviting us in this place and giving us the best of time and the best of experience. God bless you.